Dear fellow traveler, under the moon, I saw you standing in the shadows and your eyes were blue. You put your hand out, opened the door. You said, come with me, boy, I want to show you something more. You spoke my language and touched my limbs. It wasn't difficult to pull me from myself again. And in our travels, we found the roads. You held it like a mirror, showing me the life I chose. And I returned to my beautiful city. Black skies have changed into blue. And my love is so wise and so pretty. But tonight I still dream of you. Dear fellow traveler, under the moon, I think I'm growing weary and I'm hoping you'll come soon. And if I see you in clean new clothes, I hope you hold the mirror up to show me what I chose. And I'll return to my beautiful city. Black skies will change into blue. And oh, my love is so wise and so pretty. Some nights I'll still dream of you. And I'll return to my beautiful city. Black skies will change into blue. And oh, my love is so wise and so pretty. Some nights I'll still dream of you. And I know